going on, guys? So if you haven't seen the last video, we took the go-kart up to the property. We obviously de-beaded, so we're gonna have to get that tire re-beaded on. And then we knew from the beginning that these spindles were trashed, so those are finally getting swapped out for our new ones. These are our new spindles from BDX. Right here we can add a brake pad to them, but not the greatest welds. Kind of disappointed in how much splatter there is, and just not super clean. We're gonna go ahead and get these painted up. I thought they came painted, but obviously they don't, so let's get to it. This control arm is supposed to sit up in here. You can see how wonky these aren't parallel. We want these parallel for that good geometry. You can see how much wider it is at the end versus the beginning. So these new ones are also going to let us flip that and give us better geometry, and should actually lift the front end, because now those will sit properly inside there, whereas this is the bottom point of the shock. It should have the front end stand a little higher. You guys, like, I'm not super happy with the build quality on these. You know, I like the fact that BDX has created something that you know, upgrades this front end a little bit, but just the craftsmanship, unfortunately, is just not there. I mean, I'm not a welder. I know I can use a welder, but I am not a welder. But I can weld better than this, so it's unfortunate, especially because it's, you know, it's a USA-based company and they made the stuff here in Virginia, but disappointed. But still gonna use them. So Paul and Brent have been working on our front windshield, so we got some nice foam, so it's not just rubbing against the metal, and this sweet piece of plexiglass.
Because when it's 10 degrees out, you don't always want the nice breeze
blowing in your face. So,
are you putting that on the inside?
Yeah. In the meantime, I can show you we're going Can-Am style on the front mount. Since that guy added all that extra material from those brackets we cut off, and now that we're running this lined up that way, it'd be too tall, so we just mount it there and do the same thing over there. May not be the right way to do it, but it's gonna work.
You don't have any nuts?
No, I messed up.
You got no nuts?
Come on, Paul.
Here's these nuts.
All that trend, where'd they go?
Hung low. You're gonna do great.
Great. Where do I pick up my driver's license?
Oh, honey, that's the DMV.
What a shame.
That was good.
Trim it there. Ooh.
Do you think
Heat
we're gonna
it,
heat this up and
roll it.
bend it?
That would be
sweet.
awesome if we could freaking heat it and roll it.
Because that would be... I mean,
Sorry, Grace, we're using your blow dryer.
I don't think that heated up enough. I think
No.
we need a math torch.
Yeah.
Which I don't know where mine is.
Killer ice.
Nah, we'll just chop it. Because if anything, if this concept, I mean, it should work, and if we like it, then we should just get something thicker.
Yeah.
Because this thin shit.
If we hit a branch or something, it's
It will.
likely to just crack.
Got a lot of beef already with this go-kart.
Yeah, you want to go over that, Vinny?
I already did. Basically, like BDX, while this is definitely going to be an upgrade, the Made in America is really making us look like a bunch of assholes, because this is trash welding. Like,
You're trash.
the design, great, not a problem, no big deal. The execution. Here's the thing. I know how to work a welder. I am not a welder, and I can do a better job than this.
Put it to the test. Insert clip.
Tim's,
Welding, yeah, Tim's bad.
truck bed.
Oh, also, they sent us 2 different thread ball joints.
This is a completely different size than one, not only that we need, but than the one that they sent. So one is right, one is wrong. Like, come on.
Salty.
Yes, I am.
I will not allow our standards to be this shitty when we start selling shit.
Quality control.
Sacrifices must be made. For those of you that do not know, there is ooh, that is not straight. There is a
You're rubbing.
There's a
You're
spec
rubbing on the
of
back
how tight
arm.
you want it.
Where?
Spin it. Right there, you can catch.
Oh,
Yeah, but it's
why is that spinning?
Wobbled.
it's because the hub is bent. It's the bent hub we have.
What? Is that bad? That's bad. No, because that spins on the spindle.
Yeah, but there's no play.
Yeah, but I'm saying if the spindle is even cockeyed.
I'm telling you, it's the bent.
We're gonna eat that side of the tire up though.
Alright, so we are way too close. And we don't have enough with this on. So we need to cut this spacer in half to make this work. We also just need new hubs because
I was gonna say, spin that again.
they're pretty dicked. Custom, but with a K. We can make that work.
Oh, look at that. It works now.
That should be tight enough. Alright, so we're gonna do what we tried to do the other day. Hopefully with some success this time. Great, success. I can find this spot. Get this bitch in there. Alright, ready?
Yep. Yeah, that don't look good.
Here's my air.
I know, it's all right there.
Yeah, it like bogs down. I think we need to tune the carburetor a little bit. Yeah. They make a kit that lets you go from forward to reverse. Yeah, oh, it's super sketchy. Just looking at the tire, how sketchy it is. Is it not going? No. Oh, I think my boot was bottom there. Gotcha. Oh, you're packed? I'm packed. I think the throttle cable's gotten stretched down here. Get up, man! Get in! Everything's leaning on me. Fix one problem, find 5 more. Yeah.
At least I got to dry it this time.
At least it died and we were able to get it in the garage.
Yeah.
Ugh. Close that door.
Yeah. It ain't snowing for the next 2 weeks.
Are you serious?
That's what Weather Channel's telling me.
Back to the property with the snowmobile and the go-kart. We've got some adjustments on the carb we got to do. Definitely need probably a new set. I wish I hadn't bought, like, I'm glad we bought tires because, like, we needed tires, but now it's like I wish we hadn't because I think we need a new wheel in the rear because it's not holding air.
Yeah.
We need new hubs, and the hubs we want to go to are a 4-spoke instead of a 3-spoke. So we can still use the tires if we get the same rim size, just a 4. But bunch of stuff to change. But
I couldn't find it.
here we are.
Custom. Oh yeah. Maybe she was just tired.
I mean, there was 3 grown-ass.
A lot for this little thing.
Yeah, because what's the weight max? Was it like 300 pounds?
Yeah, we well exceed that.
Yeah.
We just need to go get a Predator 420 and
Big bore kit.
big bore that bitch. We need to get this thing off-road now. But the Can-Am suspension worked great. Yeah, great.
A little hesitant.
Grade 5 too.
It looked like it lifted a little higher, but it worked out well. Alright, so that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for this video. So if you want to see the future videos of us taking this up to Brent's property with the snowmobile and off-roading it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see the last trip that we took up there, go ahead and click on that video. I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs, and see you in the next one.
No.